In this video, we'll break down the 3 best McCulloch steam cleaners in 2025 that are totally worth your money. Whether you're deep cleaning grout, blasting away grease, or refreshing upholstery, these machines pack serious steam power. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 3. McCulloch MC1375. The McCulloch MC1375 is a powerful, chemical-free steam cleaning system designed for deep cleaning across multiple surfaces. It uses ordinary water, heated to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, to naturally sanitize and remove grime, no harsh chemicals needed. With 20 versatile accessories included, this steam cleaner is ready for virtually any task. You get a floor mop, nylon and brass brushes, a squeegee, and more, ideal for everything from tile and grout to sealed hardwood floors, upholstery, and even outdoor grills. The MC1375 features a large 48-ounce water tank that heats up in under 12 minutes. Once ready, it provides up to 90 minutes of continuous steam, giving you extended cleaning time without constant refilling. One of its standout features is the variable steam control and a steam pressure of 58 pounds per square inch. This allows you to adjust the intensity based on the surface or mess you are tackling, making it effective for both delicate and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. It also comes with an 18-foot power cord and a 7-foot steam hose, offering excellent reach and flexibility for cleaning tight corners, high shelves, or under furniture. Backed by a 2-year replacement guarantee, the McCulloch MC1375 gives you peace of mind and reliable performance. Whether you are maintaining your home or tackling tough messes, this steam cleaner delivers power, precision, and convenience. Number 2. McCulloch MC1275. The McCulloch MC1275 is a heavy-duty steam cleaner designed for chemical-free, high-performance cleaning across a variety of surfaces. It uses ordinary water heated to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit to deliver natural, pressurized steam that removes grease, grime, and stains without harsh chemicals. With 1,500 watts of steam power, this canister system comes equipped with 18 useful accessories. These include a floor mop suitable for sealed hardwood, along with brushes, nozzles, and other attachments to clean everything from ceramic tile and grout to kitchen appliances, grills, and even car interiors. The MC1275 features a large 48-ounce water tank that heats up in under 8 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam. For longer tasks, the lockable steam trigger lets you maintain steam flow without holding down the button, making deep cleaning less tiring. A 15.7-foot power cord combined with a 9-foot steam hose gives you excellent reach and flexibility, making it easy to clean under furniture, around tight corners, and across large areas without constantly moving the unit. This steam cleaner is built for both power and convenience. Whether you are tackling tough messes in the garage or maintaining floors and surfaces throughout your home, the McCulloch MC1275 delivers reliable results. It also comes with a 2-year hassle-free warranty and dedicated customer support from Andover, Kansas, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Number 1. McCulloch MC1375. The McCulloch MC1375 is a multi-purpose steam cleaner that uses ordinary water heated to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit to effectively and naturally clean a wide variety of surfaces. With its powerful steam capabilities, this cleaner is perfect for both cleaning and mopping. What sets the McCulloch MC1375 apart is its impressive 23 versatile accessories. These include a floor mop, mop pads, nylon brushes, a brass brush, an angled nozzle, a scrub pad, and a squeegee, among others. You can conveniently store the accessories on board or in the included storage bag, ensuring that everything is organized and easily accessible. One of the biggest benefits of the McCulloch MC1375 is its commitment to chemical-free cleaning. It uses hot, pressurized steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a variety of surfaces such as ceramic tile, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, laminate, appliances, and even automobiles. With a maximum steam time of up to 120 minutes, you can tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks. The large 64-ounce water tank heats up in under 12 minutes, allowing for quick and efficient cleaning. The variable steam control, combined with an optional steam lock for continuous steam, ensures that you have the power needed to blast away dirt and grime. Cleaning hard-to-reach areas is made simple with the extra long 18-foot power cord and 10-foot steam hose. This added maneuverability allows you to access even the trickiest spots without any hassle. When you choose a McCulloch product, you are investing in superior performance and design. With a 2-year warranty and support from a dedicated customer service team based in Andover, Kansas, you can purchase with confidence. There you have it, the top 3 McCulloch steam cleaners in 2025 that offer serious cleaning power and great value. Whether you need a compact unit or a full-scale steam system, McCulloch has you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Happy cleaning!